What's the single most used command in all of SQL? If you said select, you're right. Let's break down exactly what it does. The select statement is SQL's primary tool for retrieving data from a database. When you write select, you're sending a read-only query to the database engine. It scans through your stored records and hands back the information you asked for, without changing a single row. Every dashboard, report, and web page that shows database content almost certainly uses select under the hood. After select, you list the columns you want. For example, select name, email, age tells the database, only give me those 3 columns. If you want everything, you use select star. The asterisk is a wildcard that returns all columns in the table. Then comes from, which specifies the table you're querying. A from users means look in the users table. The last major piece is where, which filters which rows come back. Without where, you'd get every single row in the table. With where, you add conditions, like where age is greater than 18 or where status equals active. Combining select from and where gives you a precise, targeted query that returns exactly what you need. Select retrieves data, columns control what you get, a from points to the table, and where narrows the results. Like and subscribe for more PostgreSQL tips. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.